What is up? It is Sprink, and I've finally been uploading to my channel. It's about time. Been bored as shit. Absolutely bored as shit. Not smoking weed anymore. Trying to get back in aerospace. You know, it's always been an obsession of mine, and I'm sick of being a butcher. I'm sick of dismembering things. It's a great skill to have for at home, but that's really the only place I can enjoy it anymore, is at home. 9 to 5, it's abysmal. So, more or less using this channel as a bit of fun, a distraction at night, so I'm not just drinking or wanting to smoke weed, which is great. Trust me, if you've got the option to smoke weed over drinking alcohol, 100% endorsed. Like, do that. It's way better. You don't wake up with a hangover, you're not going to destroy your liver, eat a few edibles. That's the one thing I really recommend, edibles. Anyway, be nice to your lungs. So, my goals for the channel. Currently, I've spent most of the day making my headset microphone at least listen-toable, and it's horrible. Still, I hate it. Trust me, I know how bad it is. I know it's bad. It's really fucking bad. But in time, I will be getting a dedicated microphone to plant on the floor, not the floor, that's not a floor, plant on my desk right in front of me with a proper screen, get some sound dampening set up around my desk. I'm going to make kind of a little overhead cubby sort of a deal, something more acoustically viable. Yeah, I want to do better recordings. Currently, I use the NVIDIA GeForce just in-game recording software. It does have the option to create a separate audio track. I don't see the point in that quite yet because, on my third goal, learning how to edit properly. I am horrible at it. I don't even know what software I ought to be using. So, figuring that out still. But as time goes on, those three things will improve with time, because all those things take effort and time out of my day, a lot thereof. So, working 40 hours a week plus, and just kind of fucking around and having to keep an apartment clean. Yeah, it's kind of tough to sit down and edit videos when I also want to train for cycling season coming up. So, there will also be different games. You know, I really just enjoy KSP. It's just a fun dick around. I want to fly shit in a somewhat simulated situation. It's what's most entertaining to me. But there will be other games. You know, Rainbow Six Siege, just got that off the Steam sale. Looking to be playing that with my buddy Dakota. I also play Fortnite every now and then. Yes, I know, it's a goddamn meme and it's all that YouTube fucking is, but hey, it's fun, so bite me. Even though I suck, it's fun. So, mostly KSP and flight stuff. Might do some space missions, you know, rocketry and making landers and trying not to slam into the face of a moon or an asteroid too fast. Mostly FPS games. You know, basic bitch shit. So, as for an upload schedule, that'll be kind of whenever the hell I want to. Unless this channel actually starts being monetizable, or, you know, there's good engagement, you know, or if it helps my Twitter account. You know, aside from that, it's going to be whenever I feel like it. You know, I'm not going to be prioritizing this like many other YouTube channels do. It's just not going to happen. So, that's that. That's all I have. Let's see if I can't survive against the Goon Squadron, huh? Give it a little push and taxi. So I am flying with a HOTUS setup, hands on throttle and stick. Still getting used to it. Been about 2 or 3 weeks that I've had it now. and oh my god, they're worth it. The amount of simultaneous inputs that you can have are phenomenal. So the Goon Squadron is taking off. Goon 1 is loitering. Goon 2 is, well, getting there. He's taking his sweet time though, and come on, kick her out. There you go, afterburners. There you are. So they'll post up. I will be flying my, these are, you know, those two are the same, of course, MF5s. Mock fighters, because trust me, they'll get from point A to point B and then be able to maneuver. That's why I named them that. 5 is the iteration number, different changes, modifications, part changes. And I just keep an iteration log. The Interceptor 4.5, which is a short-range interceptor, basically built for getting off the runway quick, tight maneuvering, you know, basic stuff. You know, a couple AIM-9 sidewinders, got a Vulcan on each wing, just ready to fuck shit up. So, that's what we're flying today. That's what I've been flying in my past little test videos. Just been fucking around. Good old Chunt Kerman. Yes, I had named him in honor of Chunt the Badger, shapeshifter. The most magical creature in Foon, if you ask me. Usador, you got nothing on Chunt. Anyway, it is time to kick off autopilot. Set them to guard. So now they're guarding the airspace within a 25 kilometer radius, I believe. Get into cockpit view. And change my team. Odds are we'll see their afterburners kicking on here any second now. Radar warning receiver. Shit. Oh yeah, they're pissed. Yikes. Ah. Pop some more chaff. Well, not chaff, flares. Chaff is for radar, flares are for heat seekers. We're going after this guy. Let's go afterburner. Yikes. Well, one's already behind me. Gosh, see, this is the problem. So it's a game between maneuverability on my part and absolute acceleration and top speed on theirs. Oh boy. And that's the problem. Chaff, chaff, chaff. Chaff, chaff. Oh! You shot down your own teammate, dumbass! It's the problem with heat seekers. They will go towards any source of heat. And my flares managed to confuse his AIM-9 just enough. So now it's a 1v1. Let's see if I can't yaw into him just a little. Yikes! Peel back. There you are. Oh my gosh. Haha, there was a hit. Suck my guns. Pepper that egg. So now, here's the problem with this interceptor and fighting these guys. They are so damned fast, and I have so much control surface area. That seems like a very redundant statement, but there is just so much that I can do with this stick that if I pull too hard, I will cause my pilot to pass out from G-lock. The MF5 is also fitted with more air brakes, so if they want to, all they have to do is flare, cut engines, pull on the stick, and they will kill enough forward velocity that they won't G-lock. Meanwhile, I can't really do that. So that was just a piss poor shot right there. Absolutely piss poor. Hey, there's a hit. Oh, and see, right like that. He's trying to cut speed using a little bit of a spirally flat spin. Another hit. Hit. He's goosing it away from me. Just punched his afterburner. Yep, just there. Yep. Went full wet. As soon as I started seeing him gain 20 meters per second, I knew he was gone. There's a hit. Alrighty, and he's doing that number again. So what we'll do, is try not to pass out pointed at the ocean. Peel back down and around. There he is. "300 meters from the water," that's a spooky number. No, you fucking don't. That little red light flashing down there on the bottom left, that is my brakes. That will also signal that little guy, my air brake, to flare out. Takes a little while though. They have 2 of those. Twice the surface area, twice the amount of slowdown. Don't have any sidewinders. Granted, he's got enough countermeasures to fuck with those, so it's kind of pointless. Ooh, okay. Afterburner on. Let's see if we can't catch up. No hits. Use that same little spin and twist, cut velocity, but then he punches the afterburners as soon as I do that. They're crafty, I tell ya. Crafty, crafty. He's just gonna get some distance on me now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going kill velocity, gain a little altitude, come down on him. Knew it. But I shot right past him. Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. Great thing about all that maneuverability on the Interceptor 4-4.5 is I can just spin away from him. He cannot stay on my ass too terribly easily. Together, they're definitely a threat. Hit! Ooh, got behind him again, that's good. Ah, no hits, damn. There's a good hit. God, he did that flat spin. Oh, and there it is. That's what I'm talking about. You leave them afterburners on, get going above basically Mach 1, and it's pass out central. And there he is, 2.5 kilometers out already. What are you firing at? Just a little burp. God damn, that's right. Every time I pass out, guns go offline. Yeah, I knew it. He would nose down. Whew. Watch me almost hit him. There you are. Another hit. Come on. Basically had to stall that. Oh, and I'm out of fuel before I could shoot him down. Alright, well, guess it's time for a quick emergency landing, huh? Go ahead and get a little bit better look at our instrument panel here. Yikes. So that didn't go too bad. Let's see. Oh. Now we peppered him up pretty good. Got some good top body hits. No, nothing too bad. Didn't do too bad at all. Those things basically act as a shield for his engines. God dang. Main fuselage almost went. Just wasn't getting good enough hits. Not a fan of this camera. There we go. Can I get back in my cockpit? Nope, I broke the camera. Well, gotta guess what my my vertical speed is. At least I know my horizontal speed though, huh? Oof, that was a hard landing. I'll take it. Anyways, that concludes this video. Just lock the brakes on, why don't I? The MF45 has a lot more sustain. Then again, it is a Mach 1 frickin' haul-ass kind of an aircraft. So, take it easy, and we'll see you next video.